Hey curl fam, wanna know how I went from this to this? Well, keep watching. Starting on freshly washed hair, which is pretty much already dry. Me personally, I do not like to do braid outs on soaking wet hair. Here I'm just starting in smaller sections. I'm just going to grab my blow dryer and apply low heat towards the roots just to kind of stretch my hair out a little bit. And of course you can skip this step. Using it is from Braiding. Here I'm just parting my hair, and I do not worry about it being straight lines. Now I'm just gonna grab some of the hair cream and apply it to my hair and start braiding. And I like to finger coil the ends. And now grabbing another section and repeating. In general, I like to do 8 braids in total. I don't know why, but to me, 8 braids give me the results that I love. I do no more than 8 or no less. Now I'm going to do the other half and give myself a middle part and repeat these same steps. And for the braids that are at the very front, I like to braid more at the scalp. And now that I'm finished, I will tie my hair up and undo the braids the next day. Now I'll grab a little bit of oil, apply it to my hands while I undo the braids. pick and go at the roots. Just trying to make my hair a little bigger and get some volume here. Well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for the next time I upload. See you on my next one. Bye.